Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how these products I received from Uncle Funky's daughter allowed me to get this perfect afro, please keep on watching. Freshly washed hair, and I would strongly recommend to use a shampoo and conditioner from Uncle Funky's daughter in order to prevent buildup and flaking at the end of the style. Next, I'm going to use a Defunk hair refresher tonic and spray that onto my scalp just to make sure that I do not have any shampoo or conditioner residue. For each section of my hair, I'm going to apply 2 pumps of the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream, and I'm going to work that in through my strands using the praying hand motion, and then I'm going to detangle my hair using my wooden comb. This conditioning styling cream is designed to strengthen and moisturize your curls while providing shine and elasticity. Going in with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, which is designed to tame frizz while defining, elongating, and nourishing your curls, I'm going to apply 2 pumps of this and work that into smaller strands of my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to detangle once more and begin forming a braid. Once I get to the end of that braid, I'm going to wrap my hair around a peach perm rod and secure it in place. So you'll want to repeat this process throughout the remaining sections of your hair, and altogether I have 8 braids in my head. What I'm doing right now is sort of forming a bantu knot by wrapping the braided hair around itself, and I'm using a bobby pin to attach it to the elastic string of the perm rod, and I'm securing that in place. Once you finish doing all of that, you can choose to let your hair air dry overnight, which is what I did, or you can sit under a hooded dryer. If you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned by Uncle Funky's daughter, please take a look at the description box. I will leave all the information for you below. Once my hair has fully dried, I'm going to take down the perm rods, and then I'm going to mist my hair with the glossy finishing hair polish, which is going to give my hair some visible and amazing shine. And then I'm going to proceed to unbraid my hair and begin the first part of the fluffing process using my small wooden pick. Now, the way that I'm using this wooden pick is very important because I'm trying to fluff and pick my hair in a way where I'm not disturbing the curls at the end of my hair, because once I finally form the afro, I do want some parts to have the curls, but then I also want some parts to not have the curls and look afro-ish, if that makes sense. So now I'm going in with my larger pick to achieve the desired volume that I want, and then I'm just going to slightly mist my hair with some water and then fluff out my hair some more, and on to the most important part, which is patting your hair down into the shape that you want, and voila guys, that is pretty much it. Recording this tutorial for you guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave me some love down in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button and connect with me on my Instagram. Until the next time, peace and light.